Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to use atomic wallet and how to create, and after creating the wallet, how to invest your money, cryptocurrency exchange, buy cryptocurrency, and so many features are available. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab in Google and type here wallet, enter. The first link is display here. I am putting this link in same video description. Like a cryptocurrency wallet, manage your Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin or XLM or other 300 other coin platform. So first of all, we download this application in my Mac operating system. Like here as a download point of 5 operating system as well as 3 different platforms. So I just simply download here in my Mac operating system 87 MB size of this atomic wallet. After download, I just simply drag and drop my application menu. You can do same process of all operating system or smartphone devices. So here buy Bitcoin, asset, earn, stock, and some reports. You can contact 24 hours. They are providing you facilities, some videos also available here, and some rest of information. So we see here wallet is installed properly. Open new wallet. I type here password, set password. So my wallet is created here in my operating system. Here is a wallet related information. Bitcoin, I have no Bitcoin, 0 Bitcoin, value is 0, but now Bitcoin price is like a 60,541 US dollar. It's quite expensive. Exchange values available here. You can type here 1 Ethereum or 1 Bitcoin, just like 1 Bitcoin I have. So simply you can say and choose as a different exchange. Buy cryptocurrency. Here my history related transactions are showing. Here stock related information. You can invest your money in stock. Setting related options also available here, like you can buy 300 WC and 0.5 cashback you can receive here. By WAC, security, and some private key. You can check it out here. If you want add some dollars, so you can invest, buy Bitcoin. Just I simply buy small amount of Bitcoin. I type here 200 US dollars. Continue. Go with your debit card, credit card. Go with your bank, globally bank transformation account. I just select here in my debit card and continue, and then money are deduct. I can buy the Bitcoin very easily using this platform, and that one is quite amazing. Hope you like this video. You can do same process and enjoy and invest your money Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.